Okay, well, there's been a lot of questions about how to complete the quiz for architect scale. So I thought I'd go ahead and kind of do a quick demonstration on what it is that we're doing here. All right, as the instructions say here, and that's one of the things that everyone needs to take a close look at. It says below is a picture of an architect scale and a wooden slat. The goal of this exercise is to measure the scaled feet and inches long the wooden slat is. This is a fill in a blank quiz, so all the number answer data must be input exactly as follows, otherwise the software will count the response wrong. You must input both feet and inches for each answer. You must put a single quote after feet, no space, a dash between feet and inches, no space, and then a double quote after inches, no space. Example, it's 1 foot dash 2 inches. If your measurement falls on a half-inch mark, then write the fraction 1/2 after inches. Place a space between inches and fractions, and there's your example right there. Now, this is just like we did with the measurement quiz in terms of the data input. All right, well, there were questions about what do I read here, the circle or the thing overall? Well, we want both feet and inches as the instruction said. So as I'm taking a look here, this slat is 4 feet. I can see it. It's 4 feet from the 0 point to 4. And then it also is a little bit longer than that. And so that's what the circle is for. It's telling me how many inches past 4 feet it is. Now, when I read this ruler here, what we're doing is we're counting up every other mark. So we've got 1 mark, 2 marks, 3 marks, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's 9 extra inches. Now remember, according to the video there, it said that this was divided into half-inch increments. Okay, so what we have to do is count every other one for whole inches. So the way I input it here, I always go ahead and put the whole number of feet in first. So it's 4, single quote, single quote. And then I'm going to put a dash there because I've got inches as well. Well, this ends up being 9 inches total because I just counted them out. So it's 9 shift inches, just like that. So there's first answer. I'm going to go to the next one. We're going to do a couple together here. And looking at this here, question number 2. This one here, yeah, this one's not a good one. Let's move on because I want to show you how to do the half-inch marks. Yeah, this one's better. All right, so this is item number 3. And so once again, I take a look at the wooden slat here and I see that it's 7 feet long. So what I'm going to do is type in 7. I'm going to put feet, a dash mark, and then I'm going to count up how many inches past 7 feet it is. So looking at the circular part here, now I count them out. I've got 1 inch, 2 inches, 3 inches, 4.5. So when I write that down, it's 4 space 1/2 inch. So it should read, all right, yeah, 7 feet, 4.5 inches. And that should do it. Okay. So once again, if you have to review the video again, make sure you understand how to input the data in here. It's just like the measurement quiz. It's super picky if you don't get the data in correctly. So let's see how that works, and we'll talk to you soon.